Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. We are not registered financial advisors. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Eric and I are back in Panama. We're actually in Coronado. We arrived in the city, and a day after, we went straight to the beach to kind of unwind a little bit. But of course, money never sleeps. The show must go on. So let me just give you a little preview of the upcoming content, a couple of important reminders here. So first of all, it's good to be back home, but we had a crazy whirlwind 2 weeks in Toronto. So we started with the Blossom event, which was cool, but the highlight of our 2 weeks was definitely the first ever PII event. It was absolutely incredible. It surpassed our expectations. Everyone was super happy and ecstatic. I mean, the open bar certainly helped with that, but the whole room was filled with PII Inner Circle members. Many of you I've seen before, or recognized before, or actually know personally, which is really cool to see that you guys there. And the ETF providers also showed up in a big way. We had executives there. I mean, we've had the co-CEOs of Hamilton ETFs were there. Mike and Mary, the co-founders, the founders and co-founder, whatever, of Harvest was there. Paul McDonald was there, the president. His co-CIO was there. I mean, there's so many people there. It was absolutely incredible to see the PII Inner Circle members really mingling and talking and celebrating with the ETF fund providers. I received so much incredible positive feedback from, of course, the members, but also the ETF managers, where they don't really get to experience these types of events where they actually talk face to face with their investors. So I think it really pumped them up, made them really happy to see the lives that they're changing. I mean, in the 2 weeks that I was in Toronto, I can't tell you how many dozens and dozens of people came up to us, like, you changed our lives for the better. We retired early. It's incredible. But I'm just the middleman with all these amazing products from these ETF providers that are actually managed and created by these great people. We wouldn't have anything, right? So I wanted to give them a little bit of praise as well, and some mingling with the investors. And I think they got a lot of great feedback, a lot of good ideas. So overall, the PII event was a huge hit. And there were many panels during the event, which we all recorded. So let me tell you a bit about some upcoming content that's coming up. So there were 7 panels total, I believe, and a lot of questions are questions that I asked that I don't usually ask. It was a little bit more personal, more intimate questions. So I can't wait for you guys to see the panels. So give us some time, but the panels are going to be uploaded gradually and published gradually on our channel for everyone to see. But for Inner Circle members, I decided going to give you a little special treat. So I'm going to be uploading 2 versions of each panel. So, Hamilton panel and Harvest panel, but also the Hamilton panel with commentary, or Harvest panel with my commentary. So that's going to be for members only. And in case you're not a member, I think you should join. Great benefits. There's probably going to be more PII exclusive events going forward. I mean, we're over 1,700 members now. This event was only for we sold 100 tickets that sold out within 24 hours. So these are, the future events are probably going to be exclusively for the Inner Circle members. So hit that little join button, become a member today. You can cancel at any time. It's only $3 Canadian a month. It's a joke, guys. Really appreciate your support. So going to be uploading all the panels, but for members only, it's going to be a special version where I'm going to be watching or rewatching the panel and giving you a little bit of insight, because there's a lot of little inside jokes on stage that we talk about that you might not understand. So I'm going to give you the DL, the scoop on some of those panels and some of those things that we're laughing about and joking about on the panel. I think you'll really enjoy it. I think it's going to be really cool. So stay tuned for that. All the panels are going to be uploaded. Also, if you want to see what we've been up to in the last 2 weeks, follow us on Instagram. I'll put the link in the description below, or if I forget, it's going to be somewhere in the description, in the video description, not near the social section. Make sure to follow us. We opened the market once for B-Day with Hamilton. We closed the market twice, once with Brompton, once with Evolve. It was a blast. We have plenty of footage from the Blossom event as well. So there's going to be a lot of pictures, a lot of stuff coming out on Instagram. So make sure to follow us there if you want to see or reminisce, or well, that's for me actually, but see what we've been up to last couple of weeks. So upcoming content. So Eric and I decided we're going to do a podcast, just me and her, to talk about the event. There were the 2 weeks in detail: the Blossom event, the PII event, the market openings, the market closes, the office tours that we took at 9 Point and at Brompton and at Hamilton, the lunch we had with the other content creators. I mean, we've had so much great time. The dinners we had with the ETF fund providers. I mean, they took us out to some really nice fancy places. So if you're interested, I don't know how long that podcast is going to be. Maybe we might have to do 2 parts, but we want to do it as soon as possible since the event is fresh in our head. So we'll give you a whole scoop of our perspective, the incredible 2 weeks we've had. So stay tuned for that podcast. We also want to, many of you have told me in person at the event, by the way, many of the PII pioneers were there. Jordan was there from Cover Call ETF Investing. Norman from Dividend Empire. Of course, Paul was there from Better Call Paul. Perry was there from Perry's PII Universe. Leon was there from Leon's Money Flow. So we had a lot of great times. And many of you told us that you love the PII Pioneers podcast. So we absolutely want to make that a monthly occurrence as well and invite all the PII Pioneers, whoever could join, whoever wants to join on that monthly podcast. So that's also planning that as well. So I got all kinds of upcoming cool content, including an in-depth sit down with the senior PM at Global X, JC, to talk about everything detailed, covered call, USCL, QQCL, CMCL, ENCL. That's really cool. We filmed that in their studio live, so expect that as well. I also got a nice, Eric and I have an upcoming AMA next month or so with Global X. And we also Eric and I did a little interview, a little Q&A with Global X as well, live in their studio. So that's coming up. That was really, really fun. Now, of course, at the event, we completely forgot to talk about well, I did, because it was just so overwhelming. There was so many things going on. Completely forgot to talk about the PII app that is currently in development, the first ever app that's specifically designed for the income investor. You'll be able to connect your account and see total returns and do research. But we noticed that there's a lot of tools out there that kind of missed the mark in terms of specifics for the income investor. So we're tailoring an app specifically for the income investor. It's not going to be really social. Maybe there'll be social components later on, but it's going to be more technical, not social like Blossom. So it's really not a competition to Blossom. It's just going to be our own thing, designed for the income investor. We're putting quite a bit of our money into this, but we think it's going to be a big success. You guys will appreciate it. It'll be connected to or it'll pull some data out of the package, right, that I work on. It's going to have detailed information on each cover call ETF where you can't get anywhere else, proprietary data anywhere. Very excited about it. Erica's spearheading that. It's going to be awesome. And we're looking to maybe launch the first version of the app, hopefully by end of year, if it goes well. So the regular content will continue as well, everyone. So expect early portfolio unveil for the members, all my family members portfolio unveil for the members as well, inner circle members. Again, if you're not a member, you should join, everyone. I highly recommend it. If you like this content, you want to support us, hit that little join button, become a member to get access to all the exclusive content. Plus, when there's another PII event, you'll definitely be invited. So regular content is going to continue as well. The monthly covered call, best covered call series as well, which is very important, where I give you an overview. This channel will always be about not only sharing our journey, our personal opinions and psychology of the system, of the PII system, but also to give you an update on the landscape, the covered call ETF landscape in Canada, which in my opinion, best covered calls ETFs, best income ETFs in the world. And speaking of, there's a lot of new products coming. Brompton is coming out with new products, new high pay products, right? They just launched the utilities one, a US one, global one, technology and financials is coming. 9 Point is launching a bunch of new products as well, baskets. I wouldn't be surprised if Harvest and Hamilton are coming out with new stuff as well. So stay tuned for that. This channel will always keep you informed of the new stuff in the industry. So Techie from Evolve as well is coming out. So all kinds of new stuff coming out. So Another thing I want to mention, many of you have come up to me not only in Blossom but at the PII event about the one-on-one coaching session, trying to book a session. It's always sold out. Well, guys, the calendar for August, I think there's only one day left in August, and September is open right now. So please, a lot of you have told me, how do I do it? How do I book? Guys, it's all on our website, passiveincomeinvesting.ca. Right there on the homepage, book a session, and there's also a link, a video link, how to book or details. Watch that video, and I promise you, you won't have any more questions about how to book a session or how to get $75 off a session. You got to be a tier 2 level inner circle member. So like, again, the calendar is open, guys. I love doing the one-on-one coaching sessions. I only do them on the weekend. It's the only time where I have time to do it, because I'm also obviously very, very, very busy, but more than happy to talk to you guys and answer all your questions. I get a lot of questions about Panama as well, so we could talk about whatever you want to talk about during that session. You have the whole hour with me where you could pretty much ask me anything. So just wanted to give you a quick preview of what's upcoming, guys. This is my first video filming that I'm back, when we're back. So I'm going to take a little walk on the beach now, try to take it easy and gradually give us some time, but gradually we're going to be posting the panels. And I highly recommend, if you want to see, I don't know at this point if I mentioned it or not, guys, in this video during this recording, but follow us on Instagram, because we put a lot of content about the market open. You want to see us, you want to see footage of us opening the market, closing the market. There's at the Blossom event, there's some good stuff. So follow us on Instagram. I'll put it in the link below. It's always in our Instagram, is always in our default video description. If you just scroll down, you'll see a section called socials. Our Instagram is there. So follow us if you want to see the really cool time we had. Another thing is that I just thought of it now. I didn't write it down in my paper. During the Blossom event, I actually taught a class, a PII master class. I did share my time with Ian, the dividend guy. I ran out of time, but I basically prepared, or Erica helped me prepare, actually, a nice presentation about PII in general. And it was the most popular class. It was a full house. There was 150 people there. It was like, I felt like a teacher. So funny. But I'm going to be doing a video with the same deck that I presented. So I'm going to be publishing that video eventually, so everyone could see that. So when that gets published, this is a really good video to send to maybe friends or family that are newer, you're trying to convince. So this is kind of an overall presentation on the PII system in general. I think you guys would really, really enjoy that. So there's a little preview. I'm sure I forgot some things, but what can you do? So back to business. Money never sleeps, of course. We're going to get back into it. I'm going to keep pumping out the content that you guys like. Some really cool stuff coming up. I'm very excited for the panels and the panel commentary, where I'm going to be watching it with you. That's going to be for members only. It's going to be really, really fun. I think the members are really going to like that. But overall, the PI event was an astonishing success. We're going to have to do more. I don't know where, but let us catch our breath. And, even the fund managers were saying, you could do this every quarter. So it was a great venue as well. Very expensive, but the sponsors picked up the tab. So very, very lucky to have great partners, great community, great people. Really, really grateful. It was a crazy 2 weeks, and expect some really cool content in the next coming weeks and months. We got follow us on Instagram as well. We're gonna have a lot of pictures there about the event as well. Interviews at the event from members. It's gonna be awesome. So really looking forward to it. As usual, stay safe, stay passive, stay honorable, and see you soon. A couple of reminders before you leave. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. If you like and enjoy the content, did you know we have a YouTube Inner Circle membership program? Hit the little join button where the subscribe normally is, and you'll get this window with the information. But essentially, you get access to all kinds of exclusive content and perks, including a monthly unveil of my parents' and grandparents' portfolios, early access to my portfolio unveils, answers to your questions during AMA, members only, ask me anything, the ability to submit questions to fund managers, etc., etc., etc. So hit the join button to find out what it's all about. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget that I get questions all the time, emails and texts. all kinds of personal questions. This is why I created the one-on-one coaching session. So you could book me for an hour where you could ask me whatever you want. Just go on our website, passiveincomeinvesting.ca, to find out the information here. If you click on this link here for a quick guide, you'll find out what it's all about, and also how to get $75 off as a PII Inner Circle Plus member, the second level membership. Don't forget to follow us on Blossom, download Blossom, follow my portfolio live. It's an social investing app. You could follow our portfolio live. And also, if you go to the tools and resources tab right here on my website, you could download my portfolio Excel file for free, and we have a bunch of discount links and discount codes for some portfolio tracking tools, total return screeners, and also Canadian brokers as well. So if you're interested, and there's also a bunch of other free useful links as well. So again, all this is on our website. Last but not least, we have 2 digital products that both come with free lifetime updates. You have the Ultimate DIY Investing Package, and you have the Ultimate Covered Call ETF Guide. If you're interested in them, I highly recommend you click on View Details and watch this video, which will describe both packages so you can see exactly what you're purchasing before you purchase it. And thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care.